First thing we want to talk about here is the throttle, and two major things. Most common thing why people call us while they're out on the water is the boat won't start. So if it's not in neutral, it won't start. I'm going to demo that for you right here. Put it back in neutral, it fires right up. Okay. The other thing here is the kill switch. This is a kill switch. If you stand up and this backs off, this will also make the boat not run. I'm going to start it. Kill switch comes out, the boat dies. All you have to do is pop it right back in here. This kill switch is a safety feature, must be attached to the captain by law now anytime the captain is operating the boat. It's really here just in case the captain falls out so that the boat won't carry on without a captain. Next thing we're going to talk about are your ignition. We got that covered. Here's your radio. All you have to do is gently touch down on this upper left hand. It's Bluetooth, super easy to connect to, not a problem. You should be able to listen to